Hey KJ,
Yeah.
we did not do a video today.
Yeah, I know. I mean, your computer's all packed away and everything, so we can't really do an edited video, but maybe we could just do like a one-shot take kind of a thing, you know, and fill everybody in on what's going on and, you know, just kind of let them see where we're at, but I don't want to give away on, you know, the details on the finished house, but we could definitely show them this room and give them an update on everything else that's going on. You know, what do you think?
Kind of like this.
Oh, you're filming, aren't you?
I am. But you're a pro, so that window's not a pro, but...
No, but it will be eventually. So, welcome to the future headquarters of Truly Remarkable Life, everyone. So this is the room that's going to be our office and the headquarters of Truly Remarkable Life. We've been using this room, as you can see, kind of as our work room. And we have this amazing saw from our nephew and all kinds of stuff. So we've been using this room as a work room during the remodel project and everything, and we've kind of gotten to the point where we need the floor space in this room because our other house did sell, as most of you know, and we are living here now, and we are living amongst a lot of boxes, and it's become very tiring and very tiresome walking around everything and trying to navigate. And so we're in a place where it's time to get this room finished out so that we can start using it for storage and really kind of start unpacking.
So let's talk about some of the stuff that we've done in here, because again, this is Truly Remarkable Life headquarters. So this is where you enter the room, and we have done a little bit of touch-up painting. We've resurfaced that wall. Some of you may remember that this is where the wall attacked me and slapped me in the face with plaster. There's been a lot of attacks in this house from a wood splinter nail perspective.
KJ's left a lot of blood underneath the subfloor.
Yeah, Craig has too.
And underneath the flooring.
Lots of sweat, lots of blood, a little bit of tears. And this is just all stuff that we're using for the remodel, but some of this is now gets to go or get packed away. We are putting the last bits of flooring down after we had the floor fixed. There was just some sagging boards, and we had those reinforced. And now we're getting ready to screw the subfloor down and
I'm working
paint.
on painting. Yeah, I'm working on painting this room this weekend, and he's going to finish getting the subfloor laid, and then I will screw the subfloor down. I'm going to get this room painted
ceiling
today.
fan.
Yeah, I'm going to get this room painted out today, and then hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to put the flooring in. So that's kind of where we are. You know, I don't want to make this real long, too drawn out or anything. I know you guys have a lot of things to do on a Saturday.
But things are progressing,
Yes.
and hopefully sooner than later.
Yeah, hopefully sooner and later.
We'll be able to show you the whole project.
House. You know, I mean, the rest of the house is structurally everything is done. We're down to finish work. You know, the trim, moldings, getting caulk work done, that kind of stuff. So it's really, you know, just the finishing touches
And decorating. We haven't even started decorating in some rooms.
No. So something else before we let you guys go that I wanted to, well, Craig and I, we wanted to fill you guys in on. So since Scrappy, you know, most of you guys know our dog, Scrappy and Crypto, and you guys know that last winter, Scrappy was diagnosed with lymphoma, and she went through some experimental treatment stuff with a drug called Tenovia, and it did work. Dogs, what we're finding out is with lymphoma in dogs, they don't get cured. They go into remission, but it's a temporary thing. And so she has to go back every month. Ever since her treatment, she's had to go back once a month. Well, a couple of days this past week before her regularly scheduled treatment, I felt something in her neck that felt like a peanut M&M. And so whenever she went to her regular appointment on Thursday, the doctor confirmed that the lymphoma is back. So we had a rough night Thursday night, and then Friday Craig called the oncologist and talked to her again, and apparently there was a little bit of a misunderstanding in regards to the treatment options that are available, and we are going to do a different kind of chemo, and it's a pill form. I don't know what the name of it is, but she'll take it once every 3 to 4 weeks. And so those of you who know Scrappy know how much of a 15-year-old lady she is, and she does not like to be jacked with. She doesn't like to be poked and prodded and all that stuff. So this is really good. You know, they just give her a pill, put it in a treat. They have to do it at the vet's office. It's not something they can send home with us. And she'll go once every 3 or 4 weeks. And she'll do four treatments of that. And then if she's still holding up okay, they might do another couple of treatments. Now, they don't give dogs the same kind of high doses of chemo that they give human beings. They don't need it. And so the side effects are, in most cases, are nothing like what it happens in humans. She probably won't lose her hair or, have nausea and all that kind of stuff. But they will put her on some preventatives just to make sure. So what the vets are saying is that will probably give us another 6 months. And then after that, we'll probably have to just put her on prednisone, which will give us another 2 to 3 months maybe. So it's good. We're not facing that right now, but we know it's coming. But she seems to be in high spirits and seems to be doing okay. So that's kind of it. And I know I rambled about that, but
No, that's good information. And the main reason, and I want to come around on the camera here, I look like hell warmed over. But one of the reasons that I wanted to bring this up is we're doing this for Scrappy's comfort. If we don't do anything, she's going to decline.
Very rapidly.
And end up in distress very rapidly, within 30 days probably. If we do this, she just is a little tired. Every once in a while she gets a little tired and she sleeps and then she feels okay. So I know a lot of people are like, why would you give your dog chemo? Because it delays her.
It delays the progression of the disease, and so it won't
she's more comfortable.
Yeah.
And I just can't intentionally put a dog or any living thing through pain when I know I can prevent it, and I have the ability to, and I don't. I know not everybody does, but we are able to do that, and so we're going to do it for her. Plus, she's our little buddy, and she's been with KJ for 15 years. We're hoping to get to 16, as long as she's happy, comfortable, and her life is good, because she makes our life really good. So, and in the process of all of that, we are remodeling a hot mess. So, a little bit of stress, a little bit of gratefulness, and I think we're managing somehow.
Yeah, somehow we are. So, with all that being said, we'll let you guys get back to your Saturday, and hope that you have a wonderful weekend. And if you haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life. Now I'm going to go upload this video.
Bye.
Bye.